Hi everybody, David from Outdoor Moto Explorer, and there's nothing like the iconic look of the Airstream. So let's go in and look at this classic 33 FPQ. Walking into this 2020 Classic 33 FPQ Airstream, we walk right into the kitchen area. It has a large Dometic freezer and refrigerator, very good size. We also have the stove here, and they have an oven and a microwave, and then a really nice size kitchen sink. Across from those areas is the booth dinette area, and if you look up, there is a sunlight. Open up the shades when you get to your campground and get some beautiful light inside this unit. And then back here is the master bedroom. Again, really good size, plenty of room to get around, which is important when you're trying to get in and out of the bed, as well as making the bed. But look at the windows that wrap around this unit in your master bedroom. Also included is a television, and that is the master bedroom area. Right next to the kitchen area is a very comfortable sofa. There is a video projector, so you have a very large screen for your television and video sources. And then this area right here is a desk type area with a rollout chair. This would be awesome if you needed to use a laptop, do some work. You have a nice area to do that, and of course when the screen is up, you have a huge window to look out on. Just a really nice layout of this classic. Again, it's the 33 FPQ. All controls here by their touch panel. And then finally, we have the bedroom, the bathroom, which is a really good size. You have a nice size closet, plenty of drawers for storage, a really nice sink in your bathroom with a medicine cabinet right there, and a really good size shower. That is a wraparound curved shower, but a good size. It isn't a small shower at all. And then your toilet area here, but just a really nice layout of a bathroom. Love the cabinetry. It's a really nice color palette that they've chosen for this. So again, this is the Airstream Classic 33 FBQ, and it is really a gorgeous unit. There's many models of Airstreams, but certainly this one is a really nice one to look at. To see more RV tours from the 2020 Florida RV Super Show, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Outdoor Moto Explorer. And don't forget to hit the bell to receive notification of our new videos. Also, subscribe to our website, outdoormotoexplorer.com, and follow us on social media.